Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If y'all want to see how I got my hair in these passion twists, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Just like you, trying to live my life and take care of my... Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to hang out with your girl. If you are new here, hey, my name is Dreka, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm most definitely who you need in your life. On this video, I am doing crochet passion twists, and I have done crochet on my hair before. It was probably 2 or 3 years ago. So y'all, I'm just sectioning off my front just to do small individual plaits right here, just to make it look more natural. So I went ahead and did those plaits, y'all. And at first, y'all, I did 8, right? My mind went with 8. Well, I said, nah, I think I need to do them smaller. Well, y'all, I should have stuck with 8 because it came out so full. And y'all gonna see what I mean when I finish my hair. So it took me a little under 3 hours to complete this style because I was stopping and talking and doing other stuff. But right here, y'all, I just parted my hair from ear to ear, and then I went ahead and connected the individual plaits and made a cornrow to the back. And once I made one cornrow, I plaited it down a good little bit, and then I started on another one. And then once I did that one, I connected the second cornrow with the first cornrow. And I just did that over and over again until I finished the front. So after I finished braiding up the front, I went ahead and parted off the back, and this time I did the circle braid pattern. I don't know like what they call it, but anyway, I did the circle braid pattern because the first time I remember I did the straight back connect like that, and for some reason to me my hair was too, I don't know, it was something about that braid pattern that I didn't like about my crochet the first time. So y'all, when I did this braid pattern, I actually loved it. And the thing about this braid pattern, it requires you to know how to braid your own hair going up, and I can't explain how I do it, but I just do it. Okay, so with my first braid going around the front, I do it kind of thin because I don't want it to be super thick when I'm connecting the braids in the front. I got to the middle of my head, I started doing the snake pattern because I was tired of going around. So, and it made it easier for me to do. So y'all, this is how this braid pattern is looking. And no, I didn't use any type of product to braid my hair down because what's the point? That's just my thinking. What's the point? So I'll sleep my edges and stuff back once I finish. So the hair that I was using was the Bobby Boss Passion Twist Boho style in 10-inch, and this pack came with 30 strands, and I think I used 3.5. So when I do my crochet, I like to angle my needle going down, so I go under my braid going down. And I don't know if y'all know, but when you're doing crochet, if you have like the thin braids like I got in the front, I am going under the braid, but my thicker braids in the back, I'll be going through the braid. So that's a little tip for y'all if y'all trying to do it yourself and y'all feel like it's not laying down right. Just remember, thin go under, thick go through. So this is how one of the individual twists look, and now I'm just going to show y'all how I do the passion twist. So I angle the crochet needle down, y'all, put the hair on there, close the latch, open the latch, put the end of the hair on the hook, close that, and pull it through. So yeah, this is one pack of hair, and like I said, one pack of hair had 30 braids in there, so this is one pack. So I just finished the front, y'all, and I haven't completed the back, so that's how it's looking now. And I was like, oh my god, this is too full, but I was like, anyway, we're finna work on and get the back done. It's too late to turn back now, okay? So I'm doing the same thing with the back. I'm angling the needle down, going through the braid and pulling through, unlatching, latching it back, and pulling the ends through the loop. With the twist in the back, I didn't want them to come out looking super full, so I was using my pointy finger and I think my middle finger as a guide to how far apart I wanted them. So pretty much I used the width of my finger to see how far apart I wanted my twist to be. So yeah, I just finished using the second pack of the hair, and this is how it's looking in the back. so once you are done with the perimeter of your head, once you get to the middle, just start placing and going, because honestly y'all, nobody's gonna see the middle of your head. In a minute I will show you like a half up half down that I did, just to test out and see like could you see spots that I missed. And I also was like double checking to see was it any spots that was noticeable that I missed. And you'll probably see me pointing at it, but I didn't go back during this video. I think I did it later, went back and put added 1 or 2 pieces wherever I needed to add. And y'all, this is how it look. It's so pretty and full, even though it's too full for me, especially in the front. But that's because I did 10 cornrows instead of 8, and I should have did 8. Yeah, this is how the hair is looking, y'all, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.